things of that sort. Traffic's moving a lot faster.
Whoa.
So, yeah.
Whoa, look at this. Driving in the middle of the intersection there. This is where you think the guy may be on drugs. What is this move? So, and now potentially going on another freeway? What is going on here? You wonder, did the driver lose control of the vehicle? How did this happen? Why is he doing this?
Yeah, might need to rewind on that there and see.
Oh, man, and you see the law enforcement right there. This may be the end.
What happened here? Oh.
Uh-oh, uh-oh.
Going into a wash?
Oh, my God.
Driving into a wash.
Wow.
Okay,
and
that
it looks like a fence there.
And driver's going to run. Door open. Door open. There he goes.
It is a male, and he's now taking... Wow. Didn't see that coming.
So he's...